I search for sacred place in nature. Shaman call them places of power. They are areas of concentrated life force and spirit. A place of power can be a mountain, a cave or a lake, or even a location with an element of nature such as stone or a tree. A very special tree, a master tree as shaman will call it. Because it connects you to your inner self where dreams and visions occur. Our ancestors, Aboriginals, Celts, Amerindians and others knew about these places. All these primitive tribes were indeed shamanic people.
Wache wache yamatishi yame yati yahi yahi wachicha. Wache wache yamatishi yame yati yahi yahi wachicha. Wache 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 yame yati yahi.
When we enter in contact with power places, we can understand what nature's intelligence is.
Mother is earth. Mother is all.